Okay, I want to quickly address for those of you that just can't simply install the program, you're maybe getting a setup failed message or something like that that's preventing you from installing Visual Studio. This is just some real quick bullet point options on what you can do from here just to try to troubleshoot the problem. Above all, if it is not working the way that you want it to do, we're going to have to recondition your environment so that everything lines up. I'll elaborate on that in a second. First thing to try once you get it partially installed, or if it says the setup failed, or if you try to launch Visual Studio and it says cannot launch the application, please try to repair, all that sort of stuff. I want you to go into Control Panel, Programs and Features, select Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2015. Once that's selected here, you can go ahead and hit the Change button. Once you hit that change button, this dialog is going to pop up. I already have it pre-popped up. That way we don't have to wait for it to go through its thing. So you'll have three options down here. You'll have Modify, Repair, and Uninstall. If you feel that something is missing, like say if you accidentally just installed it and then you just hit default settings, go, and you didn't select modules and you think a certain module is missing from your installation, you can go to Modify and you can select something that is missing. So there's that option. For those of you that just simply cannot launch the application, it's specifically telling you to repair something, or if you feel like there is some issue with the installation and maybe you did get an error message on it, maybe you didn't, run through the repair feature first. So do that first before you uninstall the program, reinstall it, all that sort of stuff. Try the repair first. If that doesn't work, then maybe you can uninstall it, reinstall it, see if that works. Above all, though, I really want to stress, don't sink too much time into this. And the reason why I say that is, you're on an accelerated course here for your term. You want to make sure that you can keep on top of the assignments and not be focusing on IT issues. So this may sound a little elaborate or extreme, but if you have the ability to reset your computer back to default factory settings, do it. I know that sounds extreme, and you'll have to probably spend a few hours updating it to the latest current whatever. But at least if there's something that's in there, something stupid that's causing you to fail the installation, it solves that problem versus the hours and hours and hours of somebody that maybe is not as experienced in IT to be able to find exactly what's causing this, whether it be a registry entry or something crazy like that. Just let's not mess with it. Just do that. It's now a clean slate, and we shouldn't have any issues installing our software on top of that. So I know that that's a touchy subject when people have a lot of data on their machines, but again, it's for our education. We need to get on the rails as fast as we can. So we're not worrying about our tools. We're just learning the information and then applying the concepts. So hopefully that helps. If that does not help, please shoot me an email, post a discussion forum, post whatever you feel is causing the issue, attach screenshots, anything that you can possibly do. I'll do the best that I can do to help you guys, but if there's a bunch of IT issues or anything like that, I won't be able to address all those. There simply just is not enough time, and a lot of these things you really just have to dig through the system in person, and I won't be able to do that. So I want to get you guys set up on this as fast as possible. So let's try this for now, and let's see if that solves all of the common issues that I might be seeing.